Depression is a disorder that is accompanied by prolonged sadness, lack of interest in day-to-day activities, lack of sleep, fatigue, anxiety, weight loss, trouble in concentrating, and body aches. The cause of depression can stem from various factors such as family history, chemical imbalances in the brain, hormonal changes, as well as stress. Let us now make an aromatherapy blend using citrus oils that are very effective for depression. Our smell receptors are direct extensions to the part of our brain called the hypothalamus, which connects to our emotional brain called the limbic system. Therefore, applying or inhaling these essential oils can uplift emotions and manage depression. This blend also helps to increase concentration and boost the immune system suppressed by excessive stress. For this, you'll need a 1 ounce glass blue, green, or amber colored bottle. The colored bottles protect the oils from sunlight. So take 2 drops petitgrain and add that to the bottle, followed by 2 drops of bergamot oil, then 2 drops of ylang complete, 2 drops of orange sweet, and 2 drops of neroli oil, and finally 2 drops of lemon oil. Fill the remaining bottle with sweet almond oil. The vitamin B is present in sweet almond oil, which helps depression and anxiety. So once you have all the ingredients in the bottle, close it tightly and roll it to blend everything together. And then add 2 drops of the blend to the insides of your wrists and behind your ears whenever you experience the signs of depression. If you're on the go, then you can simply take 2 drops in your palm and just inhale whenever you feel like it. For an anxiety-free sleep, apply 2 to 3 drops to the bottom of your feet every night prior to going to bed. You can also use it for a relaxing bath before going to sleep. Mix 5 to 10 drops of the blend in 1 tablespoon of milk or Epsom salt. Then add it to a bath filled with water for a relaxing bath. Take care.